Santa Claus is coming to town.
Wait.
Who's that?
Hello guys, how are you? Today what is Christmas? Yeah, Emily?
Yes.
Today what is Christmas party, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is not the real fire, just plastic.
Yeah? Yeah, okay. Now I stay with all the children and because Rene go with my brother. Go somewhere with my brother, so now I'm waiting. We are waiting for the van coming up later. Now only play with the children and look at Ben. Hi Ben. Look how cute is Ben. Have a very nice shirt. Look what Ben. Ben. Hello.
Wait.
Ben show. And have a nice. Yes, also?
Yeah. Sure.
Oh, so cute. Oh.
With sound, huh?
With sound. Look.
With sound?
Yes, with sound. Emily, talk a little bit with our friend. What you gonna say today? Talk. Merry
Christmas today.
Oh yes, Merry Christmas today. What you thinking that what person you like will have?
I don't know.
What you like? What you tell Santa Claus before?
Slider shoes.
Slider shoes?
Yes.
Slider shoes. Yes. You just tell Santa Claus?
Yes, with light.
Oh, with lights. Oh. So what Santa Claus say to you?
Santa Claus say gonna buy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Oh. And Alex? How are you, Alex?
I'm fine.
I'm fine. อยากได้อะไรเป็นของขวัญคริสต์มาส
เฮลิคอปเตอร์บังคับ
อ๋ออเล็กเซย์เฮลิคอปเตอร์บังคับ and Ben enjoy with the candy, yeah? What is how to call candy?
Candy plastic.
Oh, candy plastic. Yeah?
Yeah, this is plastic. You can touch it. But when it's so long time, it's be hot. God's light can hot you.
Yes?
Yes.
Can burn you or not?
Yes.
Sure?
Before long time ago, I burned my hand.
Yeah, with the fire.
Yeah.
Firework, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, because
Real one.
yes, because she not listen. I say his voice is hot and then she touching that. So get burned. And maybe you can sing Merry Christmas song.
I don't know.
What people did you singing Christmas song? Sing for our friend.
Santa Claus is coming to town.
Wait.
Who's that? What's that?
Oh my God! Santa Claus coming! Oh my God!
Papa! Stop it, Papa! Stop. Not a real Santa Claus.
Ho, ho, ho.
You're not a real Santa Claus. You're not a real Santa Claus. You're not a real Santa Claus.
Ho, ho, ho.
No, you're not a real Santa Claus.
Oh, Benjamin.
You're just really
How
sad.
are you? You be a good boy or not?
It's not real
You come to Santa Claus or not? Hallo, kleiner Mann. How are you? Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Merry
It's
Christmas.
not Jimmy.
Merry Christmas. Huh? How are you? You be the good boy or not?
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes.
Yes, you be good boy. We take picture together. Oh. Everything okay? You not feel the Santa Claus? Really good. Hmm? Really good. Huh? Yeah. And you be good girl or not?
It's you, Papa.
And Alex, you be the good boy or not?
Good boy.
You're not a Santa Claus.
Yeah, but we do this for Benjamin.
But we do it for Benjamin.
Huh? And you be really good boy, huh?
You can touch the candle.
Yeah, really good
You
boy.
can touch the candle. You see? It's not burning.
Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas! A singing song, Emily.
No, I don't want.
You know Christmas song or not?
No.
Hmm? Okay, then I think my little elves helping me outside and put more gift because so many. Yeah, so I think we have to look outside also if there are more gift or not.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think the elf bring for us. And oh, you see, we take them inside, okay?
เลือกเอามา
Oh, so heavy.
Oh, Emily.
It's so heavy.
Benjamin.
Really good boy, you not fear the Santa Claus, huh? Hmm? Very good. Okay. So then we're gonna look what we have inside, huh?
Yes, I want to do this first, the red one first.
We're gonna look, huh? You sit here, Benjamin.
I want to see
Okay.
that hot one.
So, what one is for Benjamin? Hmm?
This?
Emily ไปเอามาดิ
This?
Oh, I cannot remember.
By Alma.
The elf put for me. I don't know.
อเล็ก
Ben.
Oh, here. Merry Christmas, Benjamin. This for you.
Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas,
Wow.
Merry Christmas.
Huh? And this one? I don't know.
Can you open it up here? No, not yet.
Okay. Also for
Khayupเข้าไปข้างใน
Benjamin. Here. Merry Christmas.
ว้าว ว้าว
เจ๋ง
Benjamin.
What also
What we have here? This for Emily, I think. Oh yes, this for Emily. Merry Christmas, Emily. You give big hug for Santa Claus?
Yeah, it is Santa Claus.
Oh, but I can get big hug or not? Merry Christmas. Okay, and then
One?
I think this sounds like Alex. They say that. Alex.
Sound like a Lego.
Chansey. This is for Alex. And then we're gonna have here for Emily. I think for Emily. Okay. Merry Christmas. And then what we gonna have more? Then I think this one for Emily.
Wow.
And then we have this one for Benjamin. Yeah, Merry Christmas. And then we have another one for Alex. Merry Christmas. And then we have another one for Ben. Merry Christmas. And then we have another one for Emily. Merry Christmas. And another one for Alex. Merry Christmas.
So big of one.
And another one for Ben. Merry Christmas.
So that one.
And another one for Emily. Merry Christmas.
So big.
Yeah. Okay, I have to go. Many children waiting for me today. They're waiting. I need to go see them, okay? Maybe we see us next year. Okay?
Bye bye. Thank you, Santa Claus.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Thank you, Santa Claus. Bye bye.
Hey, little Benjamin,
Bye.
come here.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Santa Claus, go.
Oh, Benjamin likes Santa Claus.
Yeah, you be my good friend. Do not fear Santa Claus. Very good. Okay. Bye bye. Okay, bye bye everybody. I go now. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye vlog.
Bye.
Merry Christmas.
Okay, so now we open what Emily have. Emily get what Emily have. What Emily get.
I have.
We show our friend what you get a person.
This one. Ooh,
Show.
this one. Look.
Yeah.
Now other one. What you?
Wow.
This is the die.
Alex,
Look at me.
you like it?
Right. And this.
Okay.
And look at this.
Wow.
I like it. I like this better. This one for me. What's this? Slider shoes?
แกะไปเลยลูก
This one!
Show our friend.
Oh hey, what happened here? What happened here? Where?
Papa!
You are the Santa Claus!
I'm the Santa Claus. I'm not the Santa Claus.
Yeah!
I just come back from
ไม่
shopping.
ป้าไปกับป้าปี
Right. I just come back from shopping. Why everyone have to gift now?
We lost
I go only 10 minutes. I go shopping and now everyone have to gift from who? Why?
for Santa Claus and reindeer.
They come here again?
Yeah?
And I not see them again? Same last time they come to Phuket?
Yeah.
And I
Look,
not see them?
I have a
Now
bag.
everyone get a gift?
Look!
Wow, what Santa Claus say?
And I have something
Huh?
this one to drop.
Oh, okay, from the street, huh? It's very nice. So what Santa Claus say? Huh?
I don't know. Oh, we got this.
Wait, he's gone now.
Huh?
Where Santa Claus go now? Why I cannot see him?
I Because you go late.
I come too late?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
And what about Benjamin and Santa Claus?
Not open yet.
Yeah. But Benjamin see the Santa Claus or not?
Yes,
Yes,
see.
then hug the Santa Claus.
Then hug the Santa Claus?
Yeah, and kiss.
And kiss also? He not fear the Santa Claus?
No, no.
Oh, very good. Oh, what's that? Wow. Same the rocker, huh? Very good.
Coloring and the rubber.
Wow, very good. Hi. Papa, just come.
เรียกได้อะไร
Hi.
ไม่ใช่รองเท้า
How are you? Good.
รองเท้าใส่เดิน
Look at this.
Oh, what's this thing?
Look at this.
Wow, you can do painting inside, huh?
No color.
Here.
Color.
You see this Santa Claus painting? Huh? Yeah, you see the Santa Claus?
Feel it? Papa, you know this game?
I don't know this game.
You just put on and waste some and it comes out with and then you do like this.
Oh, okay.
Like this.
Oh, very good, huh? So big surprise for everyone here?
Yes.
Wow, very
Yes.
good. And little boy, okay? With Santa Claus? You don't fear them? Okay, very good. Very nice, huh? Yeah, very nice. Okay, good evening vlog. I just come back shopping with Tick's brother. Yeah, so I missed it again. Cannot believe it. Because the last time the Santa Claus come was also when Marine was here actually. But that time in Phuket, and then the Santa Claus also come and I not see. Where that time when in Phuket, where the Santa Claus go when he come to our home in Phuket?
Ew.
What?
This one.
What is this?
Ew.
You get the toilet?
Yeah.
Oh my god
Wow!
I know that you want it
How Santa Claus can know that you need the toilet? Huh?
you be good girl that's why Santa Claus give you a toilet it's very good
Wow!
I want to play this.
Yeah.
I want to open it.
Huh? And you, little boy?
then
Oh, they have the sound also?
then
Good.
look what you have then
Yeah, now so I missed also the Santa Claus last time in Phuket. No?
Can open
Later, okay? Just talk to our friends now, yeah? So I think, yeah, this was a surprise. Or not? But I think the little one was very cute, the reaction. Yeah, the children will enjoy now. And actually for us then later, today we have an event also. I'm not sure if Tick told you that already, that we will going to a party somewhere outside as well today, right?
That's the Christmas.
So we will going to some home of auntie for have a small Christmas party there as well. So see you over there. And back to the room, and look who is still awake and in a good mood. It's unbelievable, Mama? Today good party?
yeah
Yeah, very good, nah? And if you know what time is it right now, we will tell you. 11:45 and little baby don't want to sleep. Oh my god. Yeah, so will be interesting now how long it will take for little baby to sleep, because tomorrow morning we have to wake up a little bit more early, because tomorrow we will visit some old temple. You can wait for the vlog. But today our Christmas was really very good fun, and the party was really nice. I'm not tired. So this was our Gab? Gab? This is not the duck. He have this already, that okay, if he seen some duck, that he make the sound gab, and he say now okay on my shirt. It's the duck. It's not the duck. It's the Grinch. Yeah. Yeah. So we will finish this video right now because we need to make little baby go to bed. And then I hope you enjoyed our Christmas vlog for today, and then we see you in the next one. Good night. Bye bye.
good night bye bye